I pre-ordered the Model Y Juniper, and I think it may have been a mistake. Let's talk about it. A little backstory. Last year, a part of a tree had done some damage to my car. My insurance company ended up totaling out my car altogether, which kind of sucks because I'd put a lot of money into this car and I loved my baby so much. But I wanted to stay as optimistic as possible over the entire situation. So I just took this as my sign to go ahead and get my next dream vehicle. This is the last time I get to sit in this vehicle. And look at how dirty they did my car. Look, y'all couldn't have even given me like a good presentation. This is my baby's memoriam. Like, where's the presentation? Have some decorum. I decided ultimately that I wanted an EV, started looking at vehicles, and decided that Tesla was a car that I wanted to go for. I even test drove Tesla cars 4 different times, crunched all the numbers, made sure that everything was going to fit budget wise. And ultimately, I was like, I'm going to go ahead and get a Tesla. I like the tech that was in the vehicle. I like the safety features. There's just a whole lot that I really enjoyed about the vehicle. So the only thing I had to do was to wait for the Model Y Juniper to be launched. They launched the vehicle. Of course, I pre-ordered it like the second day that it was launched. And then I start seeing information about Elon Musk and the controversial things that he decides to do online. People are now calling him a Nazi and everything like this. And now I am stuck with a decision. As I said, I've already pre-ordered the vehicle. Like literally, hold on. I'm gonna cover up my reservation number, but literally I've already pre-ordered the vehicle. It's sitting there. The car is actually set to be delivered in March. They're going to start delivering the cars in the United States in March if you've already pre-ordered it and everything. I already spent $250 to lock in my reservation. But two things. One, I don't know if I can morally or ethically support a CEO who may or may not be a Nazi. It's so weird. It's like, I feel like I'm in a very weird fever dream. Like everything that I've seen on the news and online these last like 3 days is like, what the hell is really going on? There's no way this is real. There's no way this is real. I'm still like waiting to wake up or something. But anyways, I don't know if I can morally support a CEO who may or may not be a Nazi. But if I did go ahead and decide to get the car, which it's still an option, I'm worried about what that backlash is going to look like. I've gone online and I've seen photos and videos in the past of people tagging Teslas, whether that be like a Model 3, Model Y, Cybertruck, whatever. I've seen a lot of people tagging those, vandalizing those, breaking windows. And this is before the whole Nazi thing came out. I can only imagine what people are going to start doing to Tesla vehicles in the future. If I were to buy this vehicle and say if I go to the store or something and then come out and see that my car has been spray painted or keyed or something like that, I don't think I would be mad, yes, but I honestly wouldn't be able to blame the people for doing it. Honestly. So, the only other option is to not get a Tesla and get some other type of vehicle. Now, the only thing that sucks about that is everything that I have had planned for the rest of this year specifically revolved around me getting this vehicle. All of the content that I wanted to post, all of the trips that I wanted to take, it all revolved around the Tesla. Not any other vehicle. I've done research on other cars, and number one, every other car looks ugly to me right now. And that's only because I'm a little obsessive when it comes to the purchases that I make. Once I start doing research on a specific item, I have to buy that item, or I think about it constantly. And that's what's going on with this Tesla right now. So these last few days, I've been looking at other cars. I really would like an electric vehicle. Every other electric vehicle that I see, it's not necessarily up to par to me as far as like the software and the designs. Um, Honestly, Tesla was like the total package. I liked the exterior, the interior, the features, safety features. Tesla has a lot of safety features that I'm not seeing in some of these other not smart vehicles, that I'm not seeing in some of these other electric vehicles. And I'm a little torn. I'm very upset because I've worked very hard to save up this money. It was strange how everything like really fell into place. And I was thinking something's gonna happen. And something did happen. I'm a little lost. I'm gonna keep on looking for new vehicles and try to find something else that I actually like. I don't know. But I'm just curious. I know there's got to be other people out there just like me who were very excited about this vehicle and now they're on the fence on what they are going to do with this car. So if you're someone like that, let me know because I'm very curious what y'all are thinking. Ultimately, I don't think I'm going to get the car unless something drastically changes between now and then. Anyways, I don't know. Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all thoughts are because I'm intrigued and I'm confused right now. And yeah, I'll let y'all know how this goes. I'm frustrated. That car was so beautiful. It was so beautiful. It was so pretty. I'll find something and I'll let y'all know how it goes. Other than that, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.